At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first vacuum sealer by FoodSaver is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros: feature-rich and easy to use, attractive stainless steel and chrome design. Here are the cons: big and heavy, more than twice the price of mid-range models. The best reviews bottom line: easiest of all to use. Auxiliary vacuum device can even help marinate food. A clear, no-compromise choice. We rated this Sealamil vacuum sealer as our best value pick. Here are the pros: small and lightweight, low price. Here are the cons: awkward to use, skimpy on starter supplies, no cord storage or extra features. The best reviews bottom line: a no-frills option at a bargain price. Gets the job done. The next vacuum sealer by Nesco is our third top pick. Here are the pros: fairly easy to use, includes roll storage, cutter, cord storage, and generous starter supplies. Here are the cons: drip tray is not removable for cleaning. Auxiliary suction device is available but not included. The best reviews bottom line: high-end convenience and efficiency at a mid-range price. We ranked this NutriChef vacuum sealer as our fourth top pick. Here are the pros: streamlined machine that's fast and easy to use. Reusable bags cut down on cost and waste. Mid-range price. Here are the cons: instructions are unclear and the sealer isn't as easy to use. The best reviews bottom line: a nice size if you need a model that's small enough for your countertop. Average in price, quality, and features. This vacuum sealer by FoodSaver is our final top pick. Here are the pros: mid-priced unit with auxiliary suction device, one of the fastest units tested. Here are the cons: no roll storage or cutter, few extra features. The best reviews bottom line: easy to operate with one hand, works quickly. You can use zipper or heat seal bags.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.
What would happen if you suddenly blink and everything turns off and does not turn back on again? What if the modern computer-driven world suddenly turns off and you are one step away from life and death situation? That's when you prepare to face any situation and have the best gear on the market. In today's video, Just when you thought you were ready to face anything, something popped out and now you have to get out, or the environment has become difficult to live in and you have to evacuate. What would you do? You would need a Red Runner electric utility bike. It comes with a powerful 750-watt hub motor that allows it to reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour so that you can reach your destination swiftly without alerting others. Equipped with a 48-volt battery, this electric bike offers a maximum range of 45 miles on a single charge to make your evacuation from one city to another very easy. It features a 6061 aluminum frame to make it durable and has intelligent 4-level pedal assist to make your ride comfortable. It has a built-in LCD display that shows your bike's current status in real time and allows you to plan your trip accordingly. During any disaster or hazard power failure, you should always keep a Goal Zero solar power generator at your home. Goal Zero power stations are one of the most reliable power stations available on the market. Starting from 150 watt-hour to an incredible 3000 watt-hour, Goal Zero offers a wide range of solar power stations to provide power in the time you mostly need. These power stations can run heavy equipment like cook plates, fans, TV, and charge your smartphone or other accessories without any interruption and easily be controlled with buttons or from the smartphone app. These power stations can be recharged using Goal Zero solar panels that allows you to use it in multiple times without worrying about electricity or just from your regular AC port, and comes in a portable design to offer maximum portability. The Goal Zero Yeti solar powered stations are the ideal power solution for any disaster or hazard situation and lets you stay prepared for whatever lies ahead. So that's all about the top 10 prepper gear for you.
How to make a bag out of a roll. Using scissors, cut enough bag material from roll to hold item, plus at least 2.5 inches. Be sure to cut straight. Open the lid and place one end of bag material across the sealing bar, but never down into the vacuum chamber. Wrong bag position will lead to unsuccessful sealing. Close and press both sides of the lid until hear 2 click sounds, heard to make sure lock the lid. Press the seal button, and when the light turns off, the sealing is completed. Press buttons on both sides to release the sealed bag for vac and sealing. How to vacuum package with GERYON bags. Hints before operation. Recommend use food vacuum sealing bags with texture on one or both sides. The bags with no texture can only for seal, not for vacuum. For the moist food or too much liquid in bag, dry or freeze the food before vacuuming for best result. Moisture of foods with high liquid content will prevent the bag from sealing properly. Note: vegetables need to be blanched before vacuum packaging. For other foods, please see guidelines for vacuum packaging in user manual. Place items in bag, allowing at least 2.5 inches of space between bag contents and top of bag. Place the open end of the bag down into the vacuum chamber. Wrong bag position will lead to unsuccessful vacuum and sealing. Close lid. Press firmly on both sides until 2 click sound heard. Note: sealer will not vacuum and seal successfully if lid is not properly closed. Press vac seal button and motor will continue to run until bag is fully vacuumed. Then will automatically seal. When seal indicator light turns off, press buttons on both sides and remove bag. Refrigerate or freeze if needed. Caution: make sure you let the appliance cool down for 40 seconds after each use. Always store appliance with slightly close the lid. Do not lock. How to use the stop button. When you press Vac Seal button and wait 2 to 3 seconds, press Stop button and the machine will immediately halt the current function. This prevents crushing delicate items such as bread, cookies, and pastries. Then press Seal button to seal the bag.